네, 모자는 빨간색이에요. What does this sentence mean? If you notice, 모자는 is in red letters. Because today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to study about the word MOJA. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 297. MOJA. MOJA. This is pronounced as a two-syllable word. The first syllable is mo, second syllable is ja. Pronounce it with me. MOJA. MOJA. The word MOJA is a Korean noun which means hat or cap. Again, MOJA is the Korean term for hat or cap. How do you write MOJA in Hangul? It is composed of two syllables. For the first syllable mo, we need to draw first a miyam character followed by an o character. For the second syllable ja, we need to draw first a jiat character followed by an a character. And then we just have to combine the Hangul for each of these two syllables to form the Hangul of the word MOJA. So again, just have to spell out mo and ja and combine the two to form the word MOJA. So let's try to look into this example English sentence. It says, my cap is red. Again, my cap is red. The Korean translation of this is 네, 모자는 빨간색이에요. Again, 네, 모자는 빨간색이에요. The sentence could be subdivided into three. 네 is used to say my or of mine. 모자 is our word for today and it means hat or cap. And 빨간색이에요 is used to say that something is color red. So 빨간색 is color red. And we added 이에요 to say that something is color red. So when we say 네 모자 빨간색이에요, it would result to a sentence that means my cap is color red or the cap of mine is color red. So when we look back to this example English sentence which was flashed at the beginning of our video, we already know by now that the meaning of this sentence, which is 내 모자는 빨간색이에요, is simply my cap or hat is red. And with that, you've just learned MOJA. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 287 to 296. But don't forget our word for today, word number 297, MOJA, which means hat or cap. The first word for our review is word number 296, chaida, which means to be dumped or kicked. Word number 295 is 취미, which means hobby. Word number 294 is 함께, which means together. Word number 293 is 치마, which means skirt. Word number 292 is 물고기, which means fish. Word number 291 is 소리, which means sound. Word number 290 is 미안해요, which means I'm sorry. Word number 289 is actually a phrase, 도와주세요, which means give me help or help me. Word number 288 is 맛있는, which means delicious. Word number 287 is 여자친구, which means girlfriend. And that is the last word for our review. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.